You guys in Costco, so I'm gonna do the same video that I did in Sam's Club. $3.79 right here for a 3-pound on the mandarins. The next to me at $10. These are gonna be the apple pear and 3.5 pound. $4.99 on crunchy munchies. They're just organic in a cute dinosaur bag for $4.99. You know how they get the children. Cute little dragon on it. And cosmic apple, 4-pound, is $5.59. $11.99 on the 4-pound. This is honey apple crisp. I do love a good honey apple crisp. Haven't had an apple in a long time. I know, it sounds terrible. And then over here we have $5.49 organic Fuji apple for a 4-pound bag. And your Envy apple, $5.79, and that's a 4-pound. Making me think of Scott Pilgrim. Envy. $5.89 for red grapes, and that is a 3-pound. And $6.89, 3-pound, not organic. $6.89 on the green. $5.99 for a 3-pound on your lemon. And if you're needing limes, these are $7.99 for a 3-pound. Red grapefruit is $5.39, and that is a 5-pound right here on grapefruit. And then we have the oranges for a 5-pound bag, which is $5.29. And if you want organic bananas, it doesn't matter if they're organic or non-organic, they're still gas to ripen them. Apparently that's how they get them riped faster. I keep saying it wrong. $2.19. I didn't know. $2.19 here. Even baby carrots, guys. I was like, what?
Even the organic one. If it's organic, it's for
$8.99 here for the mangoes. And organic mangoes. These are 5.5 pounds for $10. Green kiwi, $7.89 for a 3-pound.
Ooh, I've had a 10-pound sledge. Gallagher.
$6.99. You have donut nectarines. $6.99 for a 2-pound.
Check this out.
What?
I've had a 10-pound sledge.
Okay, put that back.
Gallagher was in here.
$6.99 on yellow nectarines, and that's a 3-pound.
I noticed there are no watermelons. He may have gotten them from the grave.
Watermelons are $9.89 each. And cantaloupe 2-count Del Monte is $5.89 for 2. $5.89 for 2. A 4-pound bag of pears, $7. Woo! And $5.99 you get yellow onions. They're organic, and that is a 5-pounder bag right here. And then $4.29 here, red onions. These are 5 pounds. $4.49 here for a 5-pound on your sweet onions. $3.39 here. This is for the golden pineapple. Now the $3.39 each. And $6.39 on the tomatoes, which is very good. And you know, could throw them in the pan for pasta. This is a 2-pound for $6.39. Next to me, all these are good. $7.49 here. The cherry tomatoes, you can make a fresh board with that. 1.5 pound. And then the Roma tomatoes, a 3-pound is $7. $6.59 for a 4-pound. And garlic, $4.89. This whole area smells like garlic and onions. $4.89. $4.69 for a 6-count on the avocado. $4.99. This is for a 5-pound on sweet potatoes, if you guys are a big fan of sweet potatoes. And $3.69 here for a 10-pound bag, which is still not bad. I believe in Sam's Club it might be the same. $3.69 for a 10-pounder. These are definitely cheaper here at Sam's and Costco compared to Aldi, in my opinion.
Yeah, Aldi wants like $5.
Yeah, and you don't even get 10 pounds. 10 pounds here, $5.89 on gold potatoes. And then $5.59 on your red potatoes. And they're all 10 pounders.
Someone was showing 1985 prices versus now.
And then $5.89 on Duo baby potatoes. And that is a 5-pounder.
But they were showing like a 10-pound bag of potatoes back then was like 89 cents.
Back then.
Yeah.
And then $5.99. $5.99 for a 2-pound. Organic cooked beets are $9.79. And if you want like pasta already like made for you, like if you're on your way to work or something, like this one right here is going to be $7.99 on the caprese pasta. Next to me we have Santa Fe chicken. That is $8.49. And broccoli madness $11.99 by Sweet Tomato. You know what? We used to have a Sweet Tomato, but we don't anymore. And of course the egg bite is $11.79. Now right here, these are very easy to make in your muffin tin. Eggs, ham, whatever you want in it, and then stir it up and put it in your muffin tin. Then you could do that if you don't feel like buying it. $11.79. We have breakfast bite chicken and maple, $9.99. You want a breakfast burrito, $14.99. You only get 4 in here. And $7.49 ends on the 29th here. And organic asparagus, a 2-pounder, $8.99. Squash, $7.99. These are organic. These are pretty good too, you guys. You get 3.5 pounds. You have the squash, yellow and green. And your creamy dill pickle, $7. You get 2. $4.59. We have a 2-pound on your strawberry limited edition. I don't know, I haven't seen these, but they're $4.59 for a 2-pound. If you're looking for organic, $7.49 for a 2-pound. $5.29 on baby carrots. You get 2 bags, 4 pounds. If you want organic celery, and romaine hearts are $3.89 for a 6-pound. And I want to say this one over here is 5-count petite romaine, $4.49. $4.59 on the organic baby Bella mushrooms, a 24-ounce. These are actually pretty good. These are huge. They're organic. And French green beans, cool bean. We love a cool bean, $7.99. I love that little art.
These are like perfect to like stuff with like cheese and breadcrumbs and crab.
$4.89. And then if you want shiitake, $10.99 for a 12-ounce. Okay, we have some baked goods here. $28.99 all butter. They got apricot, apple, raspberry, chocolate, and cream cheese for $28.99. And next to me, $12.99. This is the blueberry cheesecake one. And 10. This is gonna be the twice baked filled croissant here. Raspberry filled sugar cookie. Oh, I wonder how they taste. You know what? They should be lemon. This is like a lemon season. I mean, 105 degrees outside. I don't think of raspberry. I think of a lemon. You know what I mean?
I think it's funny too because even the Trader Joe's
$10.99
Pringles from the Danish bakery, They make raspberry for spring, which is weird.
And the almond croissant pastry is $10.99. And then next to me over here is a 20 variety count. $5.99 on the Italian bread and $7.99 cranberry walnut. These are $4.99 on the baguette 2-pack. Garlic bread here is $8 and you get those little two baguettes with parm cheese. I'm not saying baguette, right? Baguette.
Beignet.
Oh, beignet.
Is
These
it?
are
No,
these
it's
are not
probably
beignets.
baguette.
Get out of here. Baguette. Okay, there you go. $8. All right, you guys. That is gonna do it for my Costco. And carrot cake, $18.99. Salted caramel, $23.99. And you have tuxedo mousse cake, $18.99. This is not new. They always have that one. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one.